What is an ideal diode? An ideal diode may be considered the most fundamental nonlinear circuit element. It is a two-terminal device having a circuit symbol which looks like this. The positive terminal of a diode is called anode and the negative terminal of a diode is called cathode. We know that the symbol of diode is like this. This is anode and this is cathode. If negative voltage is applied to the anode of diode, then no current flows and diode behaves as an open circuit. Diodes operated in this mode are said to be reverse biased as they are operated in reverse direction. An ideal diode has zero current when it is operated in reverse direction. It is said to be cut off or simply off. Similarly, if a positive voltage is applied to the anode of diode, then zero voltage drop appears across the diode. Here, the diode behaves as a short circuit. Diodes operated in this mode are said to be forward biased. It passes any current with zero voltage drop. A forward biased diode is said to be turned on or simply on. These two are basically the modes of operation of an ideal diode. Okay. Look at this example. If you have one circuit like this is 10 volts, this is 1 kilo ohms, and you have another circuit like this is 10 volts and this is 1 kilo ohms. This is diode circuit A, this is diode circuit B, this is ground, this is ground. Now, first we will look at diode circuit A. As you can see, the positive terminal of this diode, that is anode, is connected to positive voltage. It means positive voltage is applied to this anode. So it means this diode is forward biased and it is obviously conducting. Therefore, its voltage drop will be 0. Now what about the current? The current through this diode will be determined by Ohm's law. We know that V is equals to IR. Therefore, I will be V upon R. We know that V is 10 volts and R is 1 kilo ohms. Therefore, the value of current will be 10 milliamperes. It means current of 10 milliamperes is going through this diode and the voltage drop is 0 volts. Now, we will look at diode circuit B. As you can see, the positive terminal, that is anode of this diode, is connected to ground and positive voltage is applied to the negative terminal, that is cathode of the diode. So this diode is reverse biased and it is obviously cut off. Therefore, its current will be 0, which in turn means that the entire 10 volts supply will appear as reverse bias across the diode. It means there are two conditions. In first condition, the circuit is open. Now in this case, current is 0 and voltage is maximum. Whereas in second condition, the circuit is short. In this case, voltage drop is 0 and current is maximum. This first condition is reverse biased condition and the second condition is forward biased conditions. These forward and reverse biased conditions are the modes of operation of an ideal diode. Now we will look at the current voltage characteristic of an ideal diode. Now look at this graph. Here this horizontal axis is representing voltage or V and this vertical axis is representing current or I. We know that in forward biased condition V is equals to 0 and I is maximum. So how you are going to draw this condition on this graph? It is drawn something like